1 month ago, people protesting the Phoenix Police Department were arrested and charged as members of a street gang. Tonight, more than a dozen community groups and leaders joining together, calling for the Maricopa County Attorney's Office to drop those criminal charges. ABC 15 investigator Dave Biscobing broke the story and has more on what leaders are demanding.
Outside the Maricopa County Attorney's Office, a group of community organizers, faith leaders, and legal groups had a simple demand: drop the charges, especially the gang charges against a group of protesters from a march on October 17th. Jared Keenan with ACLU Arizona called them political prosecutions.
But filing trumped-up charges of gang affiliation against those who the office views as their political rival has absolutely no place in a free society.
ABC 15 learned prosecutors filed the gang charges because on October 17th, the protesters commonly used the term ACAB, or all cops are bastards, dressed in black, and prosecutors say they did that with the intent to commit crimes. One of the alleged weapons police and prosecutors say the group is using, umbrellas, to allegedly, quote, swing at and assault officers, conceal their crimes, and further their criminal acts.
Make no mistake, these are political prosecutions.
At the event, organizers called it an outrageous stretch and abuse of power. One of the speakers, attorney Julie Gunnigal, who ran for county attorney and just narrowly lost to Alistair Adele.
Absolutely beyond the pale. The criminal gang enhancement was never designed to be used against protected First Amendment activity.
But it seems that this office continuously targets Black and Latino people who are exercising their First Amendment rights.
Reverend Reginald Walton with the African American Christian Clergy Coalition also promised they will not back down.
Yes, the election results have said that County Attorney Adele is the county attorney for the next 4 years. But that does not mean that voices will be silenced. That does not mean that she is above critique. And lastly, that does not mean that we are not already working on her replacement. Thank you.
I'm investigator Dave Biscobing, ABC 15, Arizona.
In an emailed response, MCAO denied the cases are political and says a grand jury found enough evidence for the charges. The office says it cannot provide details about the evidence and will not try the case in the media. As a reminder, grand juries meet in secret and only hear evidence from police and prosecutors before approving charges. Defense attorneys and judges are not present.